If you want to mute a video in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to remove the audio from a clip in CapCut PC in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if you want to create silent footage, add your own voiceover later, or completely turn off the original sound from a video clip. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut PC and make sure the video you want to mute is already placed in the timeline. This is important because the mute option only works once the clip is selected. Now click directly on the video clip in the timeline so it becomes highlighted. Once the clip is selected, look over to the right-hand panel. This is where CapCut shows all of the editing options for your clip, including video settings, audio settings, and more. In that right panel, click on Audio. This will open the audio controls for the selected video. Here, you'll usually see a mute icon and a volume slider. If you want the fastest method, just click the mute icon and the audio from that clip will be turned off instantly. If you prefer, you can also drag the volume slider all the way down to 0. That does the same thing and completely removes the sound from the clip. This is a great option if you want more control or if you want to bring the volume back later. After that, play back your timeline to make sure the clip is muted correctly. You should now hear no sound coming from that video segment. If you have multiple clips and want to mute more than one, simply repeat the same process for each clip individually. That makes it easy to control exactly which parts of your project have audio and which parts stay silent. And that's it. You now know how to mute a video in CapCut PC. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference when you're editing videos for YouTube, social media, or any other platform. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.